Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi K30S and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can change aspect ratio of this camera. Now we are in 3 and 4, let's pick 1 and 1 from the left. And as you can see, the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it works here. Now let's go again to the settings in the right corner, and we can pick also 9 and 16 aspect ratio. And in the camera it looks like that, so this is the longer one. And another tap to the right corner, and we can pick also the full one. So this is the full aspect ratio now. And of course when we go back to the settings, we can easily tap again and go back to 3 and 4 also. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.